What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We just got out of school and we're waiting for a train. We're gonna go over to Austin's house and Aaron's gonna meet us there and we're gonna go wash our cars and then see what else we do. These are from our custom offsets. I'll have you know. Custom offsets? Put their plug right there. Go buy wheels from them. Ready? Oh, is it up? Oh, we can't see it yet. I forgot. Hey, Aaron.
Oh, the thing sounds like it's about to explode. Ready?
Big reveal.
Those are not for my dad's truck.
Those are for your truck?
Yeah.
No way!
Hey! What?
He had a nicer paint job. Maybe that's what they go.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Race car mod?
Out.
Yeah, it looks like a freaking race car.
Yeah, if I hit someone, then it's just gonna break.
Hey, we're turning his car into a GT3.
Yeah.
Supposed to be. It's a metal one.
So tight.
It's on metal thread, so it's gonna be tight.
That's what she said.
Truck. What's that noise?
That's a shock.
What?
Yeah, because it's bent. This truck is bent, so it causes it to bottom out faster than it needs to.
What? Dude, that does not sound good.
No, it's not. It's so bad. So basically, the strut is bent, so it causes it to. It bottoms out quickly, and then once it bottoms out, where it hits the bent part, it tries to bottom out still, and then it can't, so it keeps bending it more.
What? As you guys saw in the last clip, we got Aaron's car really muddy, so we're at the car wash washing it now.
Slide the whip, grab the key, and we gone. Life good, what you need, more than you got. Can't pretend I'm rocking with you, even if you on. Can't pretend I'm rocking with you, even if you. Slide the whip, grab the key, and we gone. Life good, what you need, more than you got. Can't pretend I'm rocking with you, even if you on. Can't pretend I'm rocking if you. Life's so good, woke up in a panic, thought I saw myself up on TV till I caught the static. But I told myself it's not a moment, I'ma come and get it, ain't no time to rest. Ain't your cousin rapping with the fittest. Better the bitter, but not with the scammers, I promise we fully legit. Used to be taught on the hammer legit, I still do, I got feeling I'm trying to protect. Misunderstanding, no time to slim, but promise I'm ready to go back. Never finish, I need me a gold flag, new life.
I feel so gay. They do
Why?
better. They do better.
Dude! It got it! Oh, shit! It ate it! Hey! Dude!
Hey, testing the strength of our hoodies, bro.
Hey,
Oh my god, it freaking wrenched it, bro.
If you buy our hoodies, we're not liable if you're stupid like this.
I wanna sit in the backseat, but better not pass me. Don't wanna road trip past that, yeah. Call me a taxi. I wanna do life real weird, but better not pass me. God need to send me new wheels, so I'ma need that key, so I
Slide the whip, grab the key, and we gone. Life good, what you
up, guys?
need, more than you got. Can't pretend I'm rocking with you, even if you on. Can't pretend I'm rocking with you, even if you. Slide the whip.
What is... Dude, Utah's crazy. The sun's out and it's raining.
Freaking raining, man.
We literally just washed it and it's raining.
There's one cloud above us, bruh.
What's going on, on, guys? It's the next day. We just got out of school again, and we're on our way to Discount Tire to get Austin's wheels mounted, as you saw.
Oh, we're actually on the way back to my house, not Discount Tire yet.
Okay, well, we're gonna go pick up the wheels and then head to Discount Tire and get his new wheels mounted. 2 times in 1 week, baby. The 2 trucks. Hey, is this a truck, man?
Yeah, this truck on the vehicle type truck. Ford EcoSport truck.
It's a truck?
Yeah.
What? You telling me this is a truck?
Yeah.
I think this is a truck.
This is a truck in India.
In India? We'll go with that. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked the edit I did of Austin's truck. The new wheels are looking freaking sick.
I have so much.
He really likes them. Aaron's car overheated. No, I'm just kidding, but I don't know what they're doing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey, what you need?